Hi guys, welcome to my channel JP Lottery. So friends, in this video, I show double UK49 lunch time and tea time prediction for 3rd January Friday 2025. Now lunch time single prediction numbers: number 5, number 6, number 18, number 22, number 27, number 40. Now lunch time single prediction number repeat: number 5, number 6, number 18, number 22, number 27, number 40. Now lunchtime second prediction numbers: number 30, number 37, number 39, number 42, 1, number 42, number 43. To the lunchtime second prediction number repeat: number 30, number 37, number 39, number 41, number 42, number 43. Now lunchtime booster ball numbers: number 15, number 22, number 28, number 34. To the lunchtime bonus ball number repeat: number 15, number 22, number 28, number 34. Now tea time prediction for 3rd January Friday 2025. Now tea time single prediction numbers: number 13, number 24, number 25, number 29, number 30, number 45. Now tea time single prediction number repeat: number 13, number 24, number 25, number 29, number 30, number 45. Now tea time second prediction numbers: number 36, number 37, number 38, number 41, number 42, number 43. To tea time second prediction number repeat: number 36, number 37, number 38, number 41, number 42, number 43. Now tea time booster ball numbers: number 22, number 32, number 36, number 41. Today time bonus ball number repeat: number 22, number 32, number 36, number 41. So friends, complete today lunch time and tea time prediction numbers. So friends, like and comment this video. Please subscribe my channel, press the bell icon.